Today we're going to be repairing a plow that has had this hook break on it several times. This is the second plow this person has owned for this Defender XT Can-Am machine. That hook is obviously in the wrong spot for the lead fare to be able to do any kind of pickup for that unit, as they are almost on the same plane. So the pickup point needs to be somewhere in here. We're going to take a piece of steel, cut it, and weld it in there. Cut this hook off, weld it onto our piece of steel, and then the pickup will be in the correct position for this plow. The plow mount is on. We will, before we begin welding, we're going to disconnect the battery so that we don't burn anything down. All right, we'll get started here. So I just got this welded up using a really inexpensive welder from Harbor Freight. It's an okay unit. I wouldn't necessarily go out of my way to get one. The welds turned out fine for such a 110 small unit. There is quite a bit of spatter because I broke my tip and I had to cut it to get it to continue being functional for me. We'll now connect the battery back up, hook the winch up, pull this unit up, get it latched into place, and make sure it functions. We got this unit attached. It's in its mount. I don't know if you can see that very well. The fair lead is in the correct position. The hook is in nice proper alignment with the fair lead. It's not too far forward, as you can tell. The unit fits well. It lifts high enough off the ground that it can clear a speed bump or a small creek diverter, as a gutter or something of that matter. It can lift up over a curb to plow over a sidewalk. This unit will be serviceable for quite a long time, even with such a cheap, easy welder to set up, just using flux wire 045. It's quite an impressive cheap thing. Anyhow, thanks for watching.